Normally many birds here, but because we're close by, not all the birds fly away, but many times there are many birds here. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show the birds that we have in the backyard. Come. So first one that we have. So just follow me. If you look very close, you can see a nest. So guys, there is a nest right there, and the bird that made this nest is a swallow. So the bird that lives in there, the nest, is a swallow, and they come once a year. Wait, yeah, come. Okay guys, so on this wall right here, you can see these things, and these are dead vines, and these are vines, and there were this was very big until that window, and there's my zoom, and so that was open, and there were many bird nests here. So like we had like 3 bird nests or 4. There were a lot of babies that we found, baby birds. And as you can see, there's a bird right there. A white bird. And they're flying away. Oh, there's still one there. Brown one.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
And here is a bird house. And so sometimes there are many birds that go on the tree there. Sometimes. Okay. Guys, you can hear the sounds of many birds here. And if you listen closely. Look, there's a bird right there. Normally many birds here, but because we're close by, not all the birds fly away, but many times there are many birds here. So guys, if you look in this tree, you can hear birds. All the way up there you can hear many birds. They go beep, 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 beep. And some birds, so fun fact, did you know that birds, sometimes they go in groups and they make forms like they make random forms. So guys, normally there are many crows that are in these trees, and they eat walnuts. And as you can see, I found a feather. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.